Ang problema kasi natin dito, mga kabatas natin, dahil kaalyado nila si Recto, si Secretary ngayon, Executive Secretary Recto, dahil kaalyado nila, ang ginagawa nila ngayon, they are shielding him from liability. That is crazy. Hindi ho tayo makakapunta sa gusto nating puntahan. Hindi ho tayo makakausad kung ang ating gobyerno at ang namamahala nito ay tungkol na lang lagi sa kulay. If you did something that is illegal, you should suffer the consequences of your actions. You're not supposed to justify it anymore. The Supreme Court said unanimously that that is illegal. Dalawa lang naman pagpipiliin mo dyan eh. Legal o illegal. Kapag gumawa ka ng illegal, may consequences. May restitution. We all know that's bullshit. We should be actually following the law now. The Supreme Court already said that it is illegal. Hindi pa rin ba maintindihan kung anong ibig sabihin ng illegal at legal? And automatically, if you did something illegal, there is an attached liability. Pag illegal yung ginawa mo, there is a liability.